Hello children, welcome to your maths class. Children, we are going to do a topic that we had done in the last turn, and the topic was multiplication. So in that we had done multiplication one digit by one digit. Today we are going to do multiplication two digit by 1. Okay, so now here you can see that there are two digits over there and the one digit is at the bottom. All these sums are having same kind of things like 2 digit by 1. So these are the 2 digit 51, 5 and 1 2 digit, and at the bottom there is 1 digit. Similarly 34 into 2, 2 digits are there in the top, and at the bottom you can see that there is 1 digit. 44 into 2, 44 again is a 2 digit number and 2 is a 1 digit number. See 62 into 4, again a 2 digit number, and at the bottom you can see that there is 1 digit. So I'm going to explain you how are we going to solve these sums. So these sums are basically 2 digit by 1 digit. So let's see how we are going to do it. So first we are going to look at this part of the question, this part. We are going to look into this part of the question like this. So you all know what is 3. We are going to do multiplication 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. Both will be accepted because see 3 into 2, when I write 3 into 2 and 2 into 3, both are the same thing. So the result that you are going to get out of it will be the same. 3 twos is 6 and 2 threes is 6. So we can take both ways, 3 into 2 and 2 into 3. Both ways are correct. So 3 twos is 6, and then we are going to move diagonally. Okay, in diagonally also you can solve both ways. You can do this way also and this way also. Like 2 into 2 is also 4 and 2 into 2 over here, by chance both the digits are same, so it doesn't hardly matters which way you are going to take it. And in all the other sums also you can take it in this direction also, and you can take it from 2 twos are, both will be same. So we are going to do 2 twos are 4. So answer over here will be 46. So again I am repeating children that first we are going to solve this part of the question, and then we are going to move diagonally towards this part, 2 twos are 4 part. Okay, so first we are going to solve this part and then diagonally we are going to move. Let's solve one more question like this. So again 4, we are going to look at this part of the question. See, you can take it both ways, like this also and like this also. So we are going to take like 1 into 4 and 4 into 1. See, outcome is going to be same only. Okay, so don't get worried about it. You can take it both ways, 1 into 4, 4 into 1. So 4 into 1 is how much? 4. And again we are going to move diagonally. We can do 5 into 4 also and 4 into 5 also. Both are correct because the result that we are going to get is same. So again 5 into 4 is how much? 5 fours are 20. So your answer over here will be 204. So this is the answer. So I am telling you children, diagonally you can do both ways, 5 into 4 also and 4 into 5. Both are correct. Okay. So let's come to the next one. Again we are going to take this part of the question. 4 into 2, 2 into 4. Both ways is correct. I am writing it for you all so that it is easy. 4 into 2 and 2 into 4. You all know 4 twos are 8, 2 fours are 8. So what would be the answer over here? It will be 8. 4 twos is 8. And then we are going to move diagonally. 3 into 2 and 2 into 3. Both will be accepted. 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. Both ways it is correct because the answer, the outcome will be same. What is 2 threes are and what is 3 twos are? It is 6. So your answer will be 68. So here the answer will be 68 only. Okay. So again one more question children. 4 twos are, we are going to take this part of the question. Both ways, 4 twos are 8, 2 fours are 8. So we are going to write down 8 over here. Then we are going to move diagonally. Both ways it is correct. 4 twos are 8, 2 fours are 8. So over here your answer is 88. Very simple. So again I have taken first this part of the question and then I have moved to diagonally part. Diagonally we are going to solve it. 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Both ways it is correct. Okay. Now let's come to this part. Again we are going to look at this part of the question, that is 2 4s are and 4 2s are. 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Again 4 2s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So it is very simple. So you are going to look at this part of the question and then we are moving diagonally. Both ways 6 into 4 and 4 into 6. Both is correct. So both ways also you can take it. What is 6 4s are? 6 4s are is 24. So I am going to write down 24. So your answer over here will be 248. Okay. So again I am telling you, in diagonally when we are solving, 6 4s are and 4 6s are both will be correct. Because when you take the multiples, when you take the table, 6 4s are is 24, 4 6s are is 24. Both are correct. So your answer will be 248. Okay. So this is all for today children. I hope you have understood the topic. Thank you.